In this tutorial, we're going to continue our previous video. We are looking into the mark sheet. We try to create a mark sheet and we are filling that mark sheet as well. So exactly what we are actually doing there, we actually first we collected the numbers of students and we created a total number. We created a count that how many students got the number below 30, below 33, which is a passing marks. Now we are continuing the same. Now we first go to function. For example, the function here, and in function we have nodes there. Sorry, it's function, and then we have to select that if, which is a if logic. Now what exactly this if logic is? For example, if the number, because we're going to create a if logic there, so we actually going to create a logic here that if the student is the particular student having a lesser number then and if the student having a more number, then we have a percentage, we have the status there. So it's like that. So for example, I have to select that count. Now if I select the count here like that, h5. Now if I say that if h5 is equals to 0, if I say that if the argument is that f5 equals to 0, then student will be pass. That student will be pass. This is my argument, is that if h5, if the count of this h5 is be 0, like in this case it is 0, it means automatically Ankit will be pass, then will be pass. Now another scenario would be if I create another function argument. If I say that h5 equals to 1, then a student will receive a supplementary in the sense then a student will have a chance to once again reappear for the same exam. In the subject we have, in the subject he has passed, in the subject he failed. For example, if Naman failed in maths and in other subject he scored well, and in fact he scored tremendously well, like 96 he received in SSC, he got science in 86 he got in science. So he's a great student. So he got a chance, another chance to give an exam. If it is 2 or more than that, then a student will automatically consider as fail. So that's the argument I will have. Now the total argument is that if the count is 0, if the count of that particular area, like this is a count of 0, then student will consider as pass. If it is 1, then it will be supplementary, and if it's not 1, then he will consider a fail. Now let's drag our mouse here. Let's drag this particular, so drag the cursor from here to final student Sujit, and you can see the status is all set. Status is already with us, with us. Who has been paid, who has been passed, who has been received a supplementary, and who has totally failed. So Sunil failed because he failed in some exam. In 2 exams, supplementary is not allowed in 2 exam. If he receive or if you get failed lesser than 33, then he's not allowed to reappear the exam. Similarly, in the case of Nitin as well, he failed in 2 exams, that's why he's failed. The rest of the students still have a chance to get through it and can qualify the exam. They receive a supplementary and they have another chance to end this tackle. Now, for example, if as I say, the Molloy who may recheck the copy and he found that he got passed, then you will see that as soon as result get changed, his result is also changed. Before he was about to receive a supplementary, and now once he got pass in Hindi, he considered as pass. So that's the rare cases, as Molloy got failed in Hindi, maybe some totaling error or something like that, but Molloy finally got passed. Now, how to create a percentage? Now, this is another way to find out the percentage. So let's find out the percentage, that how to create. Now, you have to find out the percentage, which is equals to a percentage of this number, then asterisk 100 slash out of 500. Hit enter, and Ankit's percentage is 72.6. Drag the cursor, and the percentage is all set. You can see these are the percentage aligned in our sheets. Couple of students who needs to work hard. Only one student who has received a good mark, and others are not. If I said that this particular function number, which is 72.6, this is greater, if it is greater than 60, then our argument will be that it will be a first division. It will be a first division according to our status. So if it's greater than 60, then it will be a first division. Another argument will be, select the same number. If we say that it is greater than 45, then our argument will be that the student receives second division. And if it's not, then student will receive third division. That's the only argument we have. Hit OK. So this particular student had received first division. Now drag that mouse once again, drag it till the last student, and that's a great thing to see that the student didn't receive a third division. Although if our student are failed in the subject, but they're still lying on second division and no one received third division. Concern point is that maximum students stand in second division even if they are passed. So this is how we can create a mark sheet, like this particular students who have received first and who are second division, first division, and who are failed, how to find out the status of the mark sheet. So hope you learned something from it. Thanks for watching.